Okay, guess what? Well, if you can read the title, you already know, I suppose, but I won a couple giveaways on Instagram. So let's get into it. All right, first up, I guess it's ALLWAY tools. I entered their giveaway and I won this 5-in-1 screwdriver. It's got bits in the end. That's pretty cool. I like it. So far, anyway. I haven't taken it out of the package yet, but we will in a minute. And it really don't matter if I like it or not. My wife's already called dibs on it, so there that is, right? So, check this out. YesWelder. Now, this is cool. Let's see. Is there a part number? There is right here. So let's see if you can see that. Let's see. Might want to pause the video there if you want to get the part number off of it. That's pretty cool. Yes, I'm going to get it out of the box. So let's open these packages up and show you what they really look like. Let's get into it. Okay, first up is the ALLWAY. Now it has these bits in the end. I'm assuming you just stick your finger in here, push up, and it comes out the end. Like that, if you want to change the bit. It has a number 2. Yep, a Phillips number 2. It says S2 steel. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what it says. And they fit in there pretty tight with the magnet. It even says 2000 volt. Huh. Don't know if I would trust that, but that's what it says. So let's put that back. Put the Phillips back in there. There you go. Pretty handy little screwdriver. Now, you see what it says in the end? I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me look on the package and I'll get back with you. Okay. Now it says on the end of it, I don't know if y'all seen that. It says USA patent number 5.638.727. Now I don't know if they're trying to say that's made in the USA or it's just a US patent. Because on the package, let's see, where the heck did it go? Right there, it says China. So go figure that one out. I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty cool though. Thank you for doing your giveaway. I won another one, right? Now, the next giveaway I won was from YesWelder. I am an affiliate for them. I haven't really been pushing their products because I don't really have any other than my helmet and I think some magnets. But I do have a auto darkening helmet from YesWelder, and I'll show you that in a minute. Also, I don't know, I told you I would show you, I forgot, but it looks like it's the 2.0 YesWelder helmet right there. And of course, you know, I got that one. I don't remember what brand that one is. I think it's a Lincoln, or I don't remember. And then of course I got the Matco one. So I got 3 up here, and you see they're collecting dust. I got a bag for one of them. I don't remember which one. I probably should keep it in it, shouldn't I? I think it's for my other YesWelder, or that YesWelder. But anyway, let's turn around here all the way back over there. Let's zoom in. Or as Erico says, enhance. That's all the enhance I get right there. You see the new YesWelder over there, or helmet. Just wanted to show you that. Anyway, I'll show you this awesome welding shield they sent me. Trying to hold it to where I don't shake it around too much so you can see it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see inside there, but maybe you can. All the buttons and controls and everything. Now I still got to take all the little protective film off everything, so there that is. And it even tells you, please remove it prior to welding, or prior to use, which is welding, right? Comes with a awesome lined bag to put it in, to store it, so you don't mess it up, get dust all over it like the other ones over there. Also comes with an extra outside lens. I'll show you that. The outside lens comes with an extra one of them, and of course it comes with a book, an extra inside protective lens, and a battery. Can you see the battery? Right there. Comes with an extra battery. That's pretty cool. Which they all do. Anyway, this is pretty awesome. Unfortunately, because it has pink on it, my wife kind of called dibs for this too. Now she wants me to teach her how to weld. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but we'll see. Anyway, you know I'm going to try it out and see. I'm kind of wondering if these side pieces darken when this darkens, because if you're welding and you happen to turn your head a little bit sideways, some people do that, they look off. I've done it, and light comes through here, you might get a flash burn. I don't know. Never used one with this much view. So that's pretty awesome. We're going to try it out and see. So, Yes Welder, thank you very much. I appreciate it. ALLWAY Tools, I appreciate it. For both of y'all doing your giveaway on Instagram, I won. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.